I see it fell off. Finally. That big clump that was hanging underneath. It fell off just up there. Where you turn.
Wheels a little rattly, but what can you do? I just had it fucking snowbank for 24 hours. Don't block the driveway while I'm going to right now. Woo! Don't block the driveway while I'm going to right now. Woo!
Isn't that done?
Move your truck, bud.
Pull it over wood.
Holy Led Zeppelin concert in here. Fire's right up. Holy. Chevroletis people. Fucking Chevrolet. Oh, he's doing donors. He's fucking doing donors. Get the f out of my way, buddy! Holy. Oh, he's doing f***ing wheelies. I didn't even get the shot. Oh, nice. 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 Really park right in front of the driveway. Really park in front of the driveway. Holy f***. That is just fucked. There's people parked right in front of the f***ing driveways.
We're parked in front of my driveway.
Yep.
Front, back, the whole side of the road there is fucking parked in front of.
We're parked in front of my driveway.
Yep.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Perfect.
Oh, those were in the car after the wreck. I'll move this vehicle. Sorry about that.
Just f***ing crazy. Unreal. Isn't that big sign right here says don't block the driveway, then there's a sign right there that says don't block the driveway, and then they still just block the driveway and then go over to Fred's. Hey, hey, if you need to go over to Fred's, just park right here.
Yeah,
and then
right
that's
here.
cool.
Yeah, that'll
If we need to use the our own f***ing driveway, it doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't even matter.
It doesn't matter. It's cool.
Like a pop in the plastic that was warming up. Slide in. Sure. Over there. It's a little bit dirty. It looks like it's been in the snow. Here, I got it. What? Hey, there's my dad.